Right now, plaque is building up inside your arteries. This insidious process begins quietly, unnoticed. Every year, these deposits grow thicker, narrowing your vital blood pathways. This silent accumulation is a ticking clock, advancing relentlessly. One day, without warning, a blockage could become complete, triggering a catastrophic event. But what if the power to reverse this threat, to dissolve this dangerous plaque, already sat within reach, right in your kitchen? Today, we reveal 6 common spices, sitting in kitchens worldwide, now proven by science to combat this arterial threat. These aren't new miracle drugs, they are ancient remedies, validated by modern research. Clinical studies confirm their ability to actively dissolve existing arterial plaque, significantly lower levels of harmful LDL cholesterol, and profoundly improve overall heart health. The best part? These powerful effects can begin to manifest in days. Our journey begins with turmeric, the golden spice renowned for centuries in traditional medicine. Modern science has focused intensely on turmeric, revealing its extraordinary cardiovascular benefits. Researchers have identified its primary active compound, curcumin, as a potent anti-inflammatory agent. This compound directly targets the systemic inflammation known to accelerate arterial plaque formation and progression, making turmeric a critical ally against heart disease. The science is clear: arterial inflammation is a key driver of plaque buildup. Curcumin, extracted from turmeric, intervenes directly. It actively suppresses inflammatory pathways, preventing damage to arterial walls where plaque begins to adhere. Beyond inflammation, curcumin acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting against oxidative stress that can damage LDL cholesterol, making it more prone to deposit in arteries. This dual action is vital for maintaining clear, healthy blood vessels. What does this mean for your arteries? Studies indicate turmeric's curcumin can do more than just prevent plaque; it can actively reduce existing arterial plaque accumulation. Research published in the journal Atherosclerosis shows promising results in inhibiting the growth of atherosclerotic lesions. Furthermore, turmeric significantly lowers bad LDL cholesterol levels and triglycerides, key risk factors for heart disease. This makes turmeric a comprehensive defense mechanism for your heart. To harness turmeric's full potential, consistency is key. Medical experts recommend a daily intake of 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, equivalent to approximately 1 to 3 grams. For optimal absorption, always combine turmeric with a pinch of black pepper, which contains piperine. Piperine dramatically increases curcumin's bioavailability, ensuring your body receives its maximum benefit. Incorporate it into soups, curries, smoothies, or even warm milk. Moving from the golden glow of turmeric, we turn to another root with immense power: ginger. Long celebrated for its digestive benefits, ginger's role in cardiovascular health is now commanding significant attention. Its primary active compounds, gingerols and showgales, are potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agents. These compounds mirror turmeric's protective qualities, but ginger offers unique benefits in its fight against arterial plaque and heart disease. Clinical investigations have highlighted ginger's remarkable ability to lower levels of bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides in the bloodstream. This is crucial for reducing the risk of plaque formation. Beyond lipid management, ginger actively prevents the aggregation of platelets, which can lead to dangerous blood clots. Blood clots are a primary cause of heart attacks and strokes, making ginger a vital component in your heart health arsenal. It keeps blood flowing smoothly. Gingerols and showgales also contribute to arterial protection by reducing oxidative stress within blood vessel walls. This preserves the integrity of the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of arteries. Furthermore, research indicates ginger may promote vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels. Improved vasodilation means better blood flow, reduced pressure on arterial walls, and a decreased likelihood of plaque developing and hardening. This mechanism directly supports cardiovascular resilience. Integrating ginger into your daily routine is simple and highly beneficial. Experts suggest a daily intake of 1 to 2 grams of ginger. This can be achieved by grating a small piece of fresh ginger into your morning tea or smoothie, or by adding dried ginger powder to your meals. Consider fresh ginger in stir-fries, soups, or even infused water. Its pungent, warming flavor offers a delicious way to support your heart and keep your arteries clear. From the spice rack to the aromatic world of alliums, our next champion is garlic. Revered for millennia across cultures for its medicinal properties, garlic is a powerhouse for heart health. Its distinctive pungent aroma comes from sulfur-containing compounds, particularly allicin, which forms when garlic is crushed or chopped. These compounds are at the forefront of garlic's proven ability to actively dissolve arterial plaque and safeguard the cardiovascular system. Allicin, garlic's star compound, has undergone extensive scientific scrutiny. Numerous studies confirm its efficacy in significantly lowering both total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol. High cholesterol is a direct contributor to plaque formation. Furthermore, garlic consistently demonstrates the ability to reduce blood pressure, a critical factor in arterial health. Lower blood pressure lessens the strain on artery walls, reducing the likelihood of damage that can lead to plaque deposits. Beyond cholesterol and blood pressure, garlic actively prevents platelet aggregation, much like ginger, thereby reducing the risk of dangerous blood clots. But garlic offers another critical benefit, improving arterial elasticity. Stiff, hardened arteries are more susceptible to plaque buildup and rupture. Garlic's compounds help maintain the flexibility and resilience of blood vessel walls, ensuring they can expand and contract effectively, promoting optimal blood flow and reversing arterial stiffness. For maximum heart health benefits, incorporating fresh garlic into your daily diet is highly recommended. Aim for 1 to 2 cloves of fresh garlic per day. To activate allicin, crush or chop the garlic and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before cooking. If raw garlic is too potent, aged garlic extract supplements, typically 600 to 900 milligrams daily, offer a convenient alternative without the strong odor. Add fresh garlic to almost any savory dish. Now we turn up the heat with cayenne pepper, the fiery red spice celebrated for its metabolic kick and pain-relieving properties. But beyond its warmth, cayenne holds a powerful secret for your cardiovascular system, its active compound, capsaicin. This compound is what gives cayenne its heat, but it's also a remarkable agent for actively dissolving arterial plaque, improving circulation, and strengthening blood vessels. Its effects are both immediate and long-term. Capsaicin has a profound impact on circulation. It acts as a vasodilator, widening blood vessels and increasing blood flow throughout the body. Improved circulation means that blood can carry oxygen and nutrients more efficiently to all cells, while also helping to remove waste products. This enhanced blood flow directly supports the health of arterial walls, making them less prone to damage and subsequent plaque formation. It's a natural circulatory booster. Studies confirm that regular consumption of cayenne pepper can significantly reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. These lipids are primary components of arterial plaque. Capsaicin also helps strengthen blood vessel walls, making them more resilient against damage and less likely to accumulate fatty deposits. By influencing lipid metabolism and promoting vascular integrity, cayenne offers a powerful, multifaceted approach to dissolving plaque and preventing its recurrence. Introducing cayenne pepper into your diet should be done gradually due to its potency. Begin with a small amount, such as 1/4 teaspoon daily, and slowly increase to 1/2 teaspoon, or even up to 1 teaspoon, if tolerated. You can sprinkle it over eggs, add it to sauces, soups, or even mix a tiny pinch into warm water with lemon. Always listen to your body and adjust as needed. This spicy kick can be a game-changer for your heart. Next, we turn to a beloved spice, cinnamon. Far beyond its warm, sweet aroma and flavor, cinnamon boasts profound health benefits, especially for the cardiovascular system. Its active compound, cinnamaldehyde, along with various polyphenol, gives cinnamon its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers. Research now confirms cinnamon's significant role in managing blood sugar and cholesterol, crucial factors in the battle against arterial plaque and heart disease. One of cinnamon's most impactful benefits is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. High blood sugar contributes significantly to arterial damage and plaque formation. Clinical trials show cinnamon can lower fasting blood glucose and improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the burden on your arteries. Furthermore, cinnamon consistently lowers bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, while sometimes even increasing good HDL cholesterol, offering a comprehensive lipid balancing effect. Cinnamaldehyde and cinnamon's rich profile of antioxidants exert powerful anti-inflammatory effects that protect the delicate lining of your arterial walls. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, cinnamon helps prevent the initial damage that allows plaque to take hold. This protective action is vital for maintaining the integrity and flexibility of your blood vessels. It acts as a continuous shield, safeguarding your cardiovascular system from daily wear and tear. To reap cinnamon's heart-healthy rewards, aim for 1/2 to 1 teaspoon, or 2 to 4 grams, of ground cinnamon daily. Look for Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, as it contains lower levels of coumarin, a compound that can be harmful in large doses. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, coffee, yogurt, or add it to baked goods and smoothies. Its versatility makes it easy to incorporate into almost any meal, delivering sweetness and heart protection. Finally, we conclude our list with a universally used spice that performs a critical, often overlooked, role in heart health: black pepper. While often seen as a simple seasoning, black pepper contains a powerful active compound called piperine. Piperine is not just an antioxidant in its own right. Its true magic lies in its ability to dramatically enhance the bioavailability and effectiveness of other beneficial compounds, particularly curcumin from turmeric. The most significant contribution of black pepper to heart health is its piperine content, which acts as a powerful bioavailability enhancer. Clinical research demonstrates that when piperine is consumed with other compounds, it can increase their absorption into the bloodstream by hundreds, even thousands, of %. This means that combining black pepper with turmeric, for instance, allows your body to absorb and utilize far more of turmeric's heart-protective curcumin. But black pepper is more than just a booster. Piperine itself possesses significant antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce oxidative stress, which contributes to arterial damage, and can modulate inflammatory responses within the body. Furthermore, studies suggest piperine may also play a direct role in improving lipid metabolism, helping to reduce harmful cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It's a subtle but mighty warrior for your arteries. Integrating black pepper into your diet is perhaps the easiest of all. A mere 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper daily is sufficient to activate its benefits and enhance other spices. Sprinkle it liberally on almost any savory dish: eggs, salads, vegetables, soups, and, crucially, any meal containing turmeric. Its everyday presence can make a profound difference in how effectively your body absorbs and uses heart-protective compounds. According to Dr. Anya Sharma, a leading cardiologist specializing in preventive medicine, the synergy of these common kitchen spices offers a powerful, accessible strategy for cardiovascular health. We've seen patients achieve remarkable improvements in lipid profiles and arterial markers simply by incorporating these natural compounds consistently. It's about empowering individuals with readily available tools to take control of their heart health, actively reversing years of accumulated damage. While each spice offers unique benefits, their true power lies in combination. Imagine turmeric and black pepper working in tandem, or ginger and garlic complementing each other's cholesterol-lowering effects. This holistic approach leverages the cumulative impact of these natural compounds. They don't just reduce symptoms, They address the root causes of arterial plaque buildup, creating an environment where your arteries can heal and remain clear. This isn't just about slowing progression, it's about reversal. The silent threat of arterial plaque does not wait. But you no longer have to feel helpless. These 6 common kitchen spices, turmeric, ginger, garlic, cayenne, cinnamon, and black pepper, offer a scientifically supported, natural pathway to dissolve plaque, lower bad cholesterol, and dramatically improve your heart health in days. The power to change your cardiovascular destiny is not in a distant pharmacy, but in your very own kitchen cabinet. Start today. To begin your journey towards a healthier heart, start by integrating at least 3 of these spices into your daily diet. Focus on consistency. Even small, regular additions can make a significant difference over time. Remember to pair turmeric with black pepper for maximum absorption. These spices are more than flavor enhancers, they are potent medicinal agents, offering a proactive, accessible solution to one of the most pressing health challenges of our time. Your arteries deserve this protection. Let's revisit the core problem, atherosclerosis. This isn't an overnight condition. It progresses over years, sometimes decades, quietly hardening and narrowing your arteries. Cholesterol, cellular waste, calcium, and fibrin accumulate, forming rigid plaques. These plaques reduce blood flow, increase blood pressure, and can even rupture, leading to clots that completely block an artery. Recognizing this slow progression highlights the urgency of daily, consistent intervention. While dissolving plaque is paramount, these spices offer a cascade of additional health benefits. Beyond cardiovascular protection, many provide robust immune support, enhance digestion, and possess anti-cancer properties. Turmeric, ginger, and garlic are particularly noted for their broad spectrum of positive effects. By embracing these natural powerhouses, you're not just targeting heart health, you're investing in your overall vitality and longevity, building a stronger, more resilient body from the inside out. Every year, millions confront the devastating consequences of heart disease. But this narrative doesn't have to be yours. By integrating these 6 extraordinary spices into your daily life, you embark on a proactive path. You're not merely waiting for a problem, you're actively working to prevent and reverse it. This is a story of empowerment, where ancient wisdom meets modern science, offering a simple yet profound way to protect your most vital organ. Begin your new chapter today. While the scientific evidence for these spices is compelling, it's crucial to remember that this information serves as education, not medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you are on medication for heart conditions, blood thinning, or diabetes. These spices are powerful natural agents and can interact with certain medications. Your doctor can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific health needs and ensure a safe, effective approach. The journey to optimal heart health is ongoing, but with these 6 kitchen allies, you are equipped with potent tools. Imagine arteries, once burdened by plaque, now clearing. Imagine lower cholesterol, stable blood pressure, and a stronger, more resilient heart. This is not a dream, it's a scientifically supported reality accessible through your spice cabinet. Take action today. Let these natural wonders be your daily defense, dissolving the threat and reclaiming your heart's vitality, starting now.